Hi guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my two new slimes. I thought they were glue, but apparently they're slime, so it was just a funny thing. But let's see them. So the first one is glow in the dark, and it's just Elmer's goo. You guys, if you're looking for glue, make sure it says glue, like G-L-U-E, not goo, G-U-E, because I thought this was glue. And it's just this blue color because, you know, it's glow in the dark. So this is what it looks like. You guys, this one is so stretchy, and I really want to see if I can make a bubble out of it. I've seen a bunch of people do bubbles, but I've never done one before with my slime. So I'm just going to do my best. And then I'm bad at this. Yeah, I can't make a bubble. But now we're going to test out if it actually glows by going into a hall closet. So just open the door. I've got my slime right here. Let's go in. Close the door. You guys, it's actually kind of glowing. Like you can actually see it, but on camera you can't really see it, but in real life it's glowing so much. So, and it's really fun, and it's not sticky at all. Except it does stay on, but it just comes off in a blink, ta-da. And it's so stretchy. Look at this, you guys, and it makes such a cool crackling sound. It is a little rippy though, but who cares? So that's the glow in the dark slime. And then this is the glassy clear. And I don't like this as much because it's really rippy. It's not even all out yet. Okay, there. It's really satisfying when you're playing with it, but then once you try to stretch it, it just rips like that. It's so rippy. I'm not even trying to rip it, I'm trying to stretch it. So you definitely cannot make a bubble with this. But it is kind of cool. I mean, it does look like glass. But still, it's not that cool. I don't really like it. But it is kind of satisfying just to put it back in like that. It's so cool. And then just, wait, am I putting? Okay. Well, that wasn't really that much, but I still think it's cool. So the glassy clear and the night owl. So see you guys in my next video. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. We'll guys see you in my next video. Bye.